Advocate Mnisi decided to ask a few questions to Moses Sibiya, accused number 1, and his questions were related to a pointing out. He then put it to the accused number 1 that according to Colonel Radebe's evidence, he said he read him rights and explained the consequences of doing a pointing out. Accused number 1 said Radebe and never read him rights, and whatever that was happening there, it was Radebe instructing him on what to do. Someone took photos, it was out of his free will. Advocate Mnisi then further said that Colonel Radebe told the court that after explaining his rights of pointing out, he made a request to be taken to the entrance of Vosloorus because he didn't know the direction from Alberton to Vosloorus, and he ended up pointing out. Sibiya said that he never told them that he'll make a pointing out. It was them who was pointing out, and he never made a request to Radebe. Advocate Mnisi put it to the accused that on the 27th of October 2020, the magistrate asked him if he made a request for bail. He responded and said, before making a bail, I would like to explain something, and he wasn't allowed to address the court. What is it that he wanted to tell the court? Sibiya said that he wanted to tell the court that the police are assaulting him, are abusing him and threatening him, and is being accused for something he didn't even commit. He was abused all the time while he was detained in the police station up until he went to the prison. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.